and also it was like pretty focused on Yiddish values. I remember, for example, having like Yiddish lessons from kindergarten, but I remember that my Yiddish lessons in kindergarten were like much better and more like focused into the language and to culture than in high school. I saw this generation of seeing sometimes Yiddish went like less fluent and more focused into different and other themes. But it had like, for example, in Yiddish language, like it had like these levels. I of course had the Vele in the last year. She was like one of the fundators of the school. At that time, she's like a really I think now she's around 92 years old or things like that. So when I was in high school, we didn't have like the chance of getting like all the best of the Vele, because sometimes she lost a little bit of patience, or we were like a really big group. Sometimes also had happened, like for example in my generation, that there were people that they were not from the Yiddish, from the Ashkenazi community, so they thought that Yiddish was not worth it or not interesting. So taking class with someone that it's so important, it was sometimes hard for the rest of the group to understand that we had like this, like I don't know, this mensch in front of us. But her classes were pretty interesting. I remember having lessons of cursing and bad words and things like that. That at that time, of course, we didn't have like that lessons. So it was like the last year of high school, and it was like really, really interesting and funny.